This is a storm going on out here. Sorry if you can't see it, but you'll be able to hear it. I don't need that. Just listen to the storm. If lightning strikes, it'll be on camera. I'll make it where every time it lightens, it picks it up. I don't know what. I'll move it over here. That's not a hillbilly. I don't know what. I'm gonna move this over. It was crazy. Oh man, if it's raining in that area and we're traveling with the mail on these, it's going to be getting wet. Oh. Oh. But what if it's on the porch, somebody drives by, or it starts raining, and it's all ruined? That's 3 years of hard work gone. I'm happy now. Huh? I'm happy now. I figured that if I would have joined the army, they could help me in the long run. I'm happy now. I took it off my social media about it. Can't really. Okay, so what about this right? Let's say the race is $400,000. If he's still in the race, all around the house, no power. Yeah. The guy will not really get paid for him. Well, Herman's coming up. No, he's not. Yes, he is. No, he's not. You're doing everyone here. Even though it's dark, I'm just making it where they could hear the storm and went to see the lightning. Boom. I wish I could get blown away to Oz. So I can hang out with the midgets. Dad, there are tornadoes in hurricanes. Remember the willow trees that Hey, Doug, after you have this, instead of just burying your face, he's trying to stay here. You see? Who will get it out? If I join the army, I'll hear those kind of booms on the battlefield. Do you have any, fire, recommendations? Should he stay here? I'm going to spy that the National Guard going up there. Take care of stop. Yeah. From the big apple. Come back and see what we got for that. I agree with that. Oh, that would suck. If it ends up storming up there. She's real funny. Can you let down? Go ahead. You know the kid. You know it's storm. He was going to Hollywood. He was going to just fly over to find us. There is one over there. Yeah. I would look at it. Look, plane tickets to California. I know, go on over. I don't think we want to go that far. How about we go to like So if we all left, you would literally stay here. Why? We got it out there. We don't understand. I don't get it. We want to know why. You know what I'm saying? So we'll have to, you know what I'm saying? Just let us know why. I'm gonna look over here. Sorry, it's dark. It's just, storming. Wow. Whoa. I actually saw lightning almost hit that tree.
Yeah.
Whoa. Boom. I love it when it storms, as long as nobody gets hurt. Wow. Whoa. Thunder Buddy.
Oh.
I love this kind of weather. That, you know what that means when it thunders?
What?
It like all kinds of storms and stuff. It means God's angry with this world. He's letting stuff happen to put the fear of God in people. I heard that somewhere. I don't know if it's true. It's God's way of scaring you. I also heard when you hear thunder, it's Mother Nature bowling. It's the sound of her balls going down the alley. You never heard that? When you hear thunder, it's Mother Nature bowling. It's the sound of her ball going down the alley.
Oh, I thought you said her balls.
I did say balls at first, but I meant ball.
There was a baseball on the other side of Maplewood and
Maplewood. Oh, in Connersville. I love that place.
Y'all losing your balls.
Yeah. I'm more. Oh yeah.
Do you like that picture?
You never showed me.
I did too. I brought it up.
You sure didn't let me see it. You took it.
Huh.
I never once looked at your picture.
I brought it up and said, look at my art. Want me to go get it?
Nah.
You want to see it tomorrow?
Yeah.
It's swirly. Oh, we got hooked somewhere, a package of them.
Whoa. Freaking.
Well, you like that? It's just a bunch of swirly paint, like modern art.
You brought it up, but I never saw
Want me
it.
to go get it?
Maybe tomorrow I'll see.
I just used the rest of my paint.
Come on, I want to film some lightning
I didn't
hitting.
want to paint the whole rug.
I want to film lightning hitting something.
It's on the top shelf if you want to go see.
Maybe tomorrow. What was that?
Gary.
I heard a growling.
Who's Gary?
Oh. Oh.
We got to have a donut.
Huh.
I want some coffee. I'm kind of getting used to that.
What are you, a freaking cop?
I like to be a cop.
I hate cops.
I might eat one of them.
Yeah. If you became a cop, I would not like you. Because I hate cops. Yeah. I don't like jelly donuts. It's like eating blood clots.
Blood clots? Ew.
Not always. I don't like grape jelly that much. I wish they had strawberry jelly in them. I love strawberry jelly. I like it better than grape. Do something, Mother Nature. Look at that. She needs a light to look at her nuts. You need a light to look at your nuts.